Oh, I got it. I got it. A bear. Oh my. I barely got it. I barely got the I barely got the McLaren.
It was a Ferrari.
Ferrari. Barely got it.
Porsche.
Porsche. Yeah, Porsche.
What's this one?
Whoa.
Jaguar. No.
We'll tell by the back. What is that?
Sounds a bit electric, that one, doesn't it?
Is that it? No, it's not it. It says more cars.
This one.
I don't know.
Then the white one's a Jaguar, I think.
Yeah, I think. No, actually. Yeah, that one's a very old one.
Oh, here you go, Montana. Ferrari.
Oh, that's so right. We haven't seen any Lamborghini.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm probably either gonna get
Is that a Porsche?
yeah,
Oh,
that is
there's
a
another
Porsche.
Ferrari's coming.
Yeah, I'm probably either gonna get oh no, oh, that's good. Nice Ferrari. Why are all the supercars like stop? Oh, they're going, I think. No, they're waiting on this white car. Go.